Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is Lisa. So here I went coastal here in my living room, and I'm just going to briefly tell you what I have going on in the living room. So basically I added aqua to the room, the pillows, the coral reefs, and a few candles. Pretty much that's the only different thing that you probably haven't seen from my previous videos. Now, if you want to know where any of the items such as my couch, my chair, and wall art and things like that, I'm going to put a link below to a previous video which will inform you of those things. So I'm going to place a link below just in case someone wants to shop my home, and I'm also going to place my Amazon storefront link below. If you're not following me over on Instagram, you're missing out on some treats. Why don't you go ahead, create that Instagram account and give me a follow. Also, I'm over on TikTok. If you're not over on TikTok, go ahead and create that TikTok account and give me a follow as well. I hope that this video inspired someone, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.